So he's enjoying watching the otters. Day 5 in Japan. We're gonna go to Polène. It's currently 8 a.m. Polène opens up at around 11 a.m. So we're gonna line up like an hour before. We are in Omotesando. So it's the more high-end area. There's this Mew Mew. Wait. They already left me. It's huge. Prada. Claire. Golden Goose is here. Dolce and Gabbana. Amiri. So they apparently transport clothes for the designer items in the morning.
Itong bag ko dito binili.
Yay!
Ito sa maliit.
Ano bibili niyo? Ito na yung
Color daw nasa...
Anything from Polène, so we're gonna stop by a cafe, waiting for the guys since it was just us girls. We're in Blue Bottle Cafe. Parang naging
Avocado toast.
oh, sarap.
I miss it. It's American.
If you like
Avocado.
espresso, maybe coffee.
So this is the cafe CR. Here, and it's so clean. And of course, all the automatic toilets. That's even the public ones are automatic. It's cool. Ito na lang. Maliit lang. Hindi ko yun mauwi. Wala akong luggage.
Mauwi yan. Sasakay. Ay, di mama, white ka na lang. I want more.
Umbrella shopping. $233 pesos, 600 yen.
So sa amin dalawa.
Cold! Bilay! Bilay! a lot of luxury items in every corner. Dior, Maison Margiela, Bulgari. I saw a big Hermes and Louis Vuitton Chanel store here. We're back where we were last night. So we saw the Hulk sign there. And then this area. Ito, dito nagpicture kami ni Jola dito. Kasi yun yung sikat na may maraming mirrors. Oreryu sheep?
Yung giant fried chicken, egg, tonkatsu ramen.
Gusto ko yan.
Ako gusto ko yan.
Ano kasi? Ako.
Ano ba lang sarili mo? Para hindi...
Ito yung order mo?
Saan ko order?
Medium.
いいね。スープライトクリーミースー
Light or creamy lang?
Creamy.
プ。
Let's eat.
召し上がって。
Oh, para tayo may private area. Gusto ko to. Joke lang.
Smoking area.
Good luck sa private area. Oh. And you can see there's a long line already. to show they have a lot of spices. So it's called Oreryu Shio Ramen. So it's a popular food chain, and Ate Maki recommended it. She's been to Japan a lot. So you go to the vending machine first, and then you line up, and then they see. The bowls here are also really big. Okay, let's see. If it's a nice restaurant, they usually provide napkins, wet napkins. I saw some Japanese people cleaning their table also. So, this is yours. This is bigger yung sa'yo. How much?
1.9.
1,980. Akin is 1,000.
Sarap. Tingnan natin to.
I'll go. Crunchy! Itadakimasu! Minus Shio. Marami naman ang pagka-crunchy niya. Parang pwede ko itong balik-balikan. Yummy chicken. Parang ba coating ng mga food dito sa Japan? Yung mga chicken nila. At ang juicy ng meat nila. You can eat raw egg because they're very clean in how they produce the egg or the chicken.
Ano ang sinabi, man?
Sarap. Parang siyang cloth. Cool. Parang siyang cloth. Tama, parang basahan. Tingnan try natin konti. Parang siyang seaweed.
Ano lang siguro siya? Texture. Ay, paminta.
Oh, pepper. Sarap din ng Shio ramen na may pepper. Yung sinasabi na tumaki na water soluble. So, dip mo lang sa water. Tapos Oo, hindi siya yung nagkakulab. So, we're looking for golf items for Jolo's friend. Cool place for my dad if he was still here. Our fit for today. Oh, I'm just happy to be here in a warmer area. The price tags, it's 44,000. Cute bags. The all-white one is also really cute. Just 5 yen. So if you want to invest in good quality gloves. Cute.
Do you have passport?
Tax-free.
And it's tax-free price. Saturday things at the car here.
From Valentine's Day or White Day.
What's it called? White
Day.
White Day.
The meaning of white?
White Day season.
It's like Valentine Day.
So that's exclusive for Japan. It's only celebrated in
Very
Japan.
common to give back to women chocolate. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. We're in an area with a lot of vintage thrift shops. As store, and it's all vintage. Oh, Café! My chinchilla! You don't want to see it? I want to see it. Street. Ooh. Lots of bags. Vintage items. Oh, but it's there lang. Let's see this one. Ito, mura lang. It's around 5K. Vintage, I love it. Small and vintage. So this is from Salvatore. What's this, Jollibee? Chrome hearts. And then their puffer jackets probably like 10,000 pesos. So 35 for 20 yen. How much is it? So it's 2,000. Tara na daw, pero he's still looking. Ayaw umalis. Hindi ka lalamigin dito. Sa boxers. Hindi siya pala. Ito na lang ba? Iti, naka-sombrero. Let's check this. This is like a Hawaiian store. Cute. Kuromi's wearing shades. That's so cute. They have rings also. Oh, this is cute. This is Asian. Mga cartoon characters. Pero nakikita ko, cute. But there's a lot of people. Ted. In atmosphere. There's ink. Mike Wazowski and Sully. That's so cute. The Minecraft. We are in Nadia. Whoa. Romantic standard. Lots of chokers. Nag-high siya. That's your shoes. Gusto ko na ito. Laki. Isang Carryme. Carryme, Jollibear, Carryme. Uy! Speed cat! Dito 23k yung nakita ko, 15k lang. Ay, may brown sila. Gusto ko nito. Collaboration nila. Work in progress. This is cute. Pesos? Yen. 28,000 yen is around 13 or 14k. A cap as well. Oh, it's the one I said that's cute. It's the one that we always see, Jollibear. The most popular Carhartt that I always see everywhere. Fool's Judge. Ice cream Lacoste? Ooh!
Gusto natin matcha. Gusto mo try natin?
Yeah, let's try. You're the one. Oh, let's add Wani cookie. And yeah, use your coins. I wanna try the strawberry and matcha latte. Oh yeah.
No, just matcha. And then one cookie.
Libre ko na to, brulee basque. And one brulee basque cheesecake. Libre ko na. I wanna eat. Yes! Lacoste. Café, so my favorite is Basque cheesecake, and it's my first time to see creme brulee Basque cheesecake. I was like, I want that. 450 yen. Strawberry and matcha latte, 600 yen. And with additional, wait, did they add the suki for 150 yen? And then I also got burnt Basque brulee cheesecake for 760 yen. So that's 1,810 yen. I didn't know Lacoste has a cafe, and apparently today is, or this week is White Day Valentine's, but for men. So it's celebrated like a month after Valentine's. Cool, Valentine's for men. So I thought it's so expensive for vintage items, or a minimum of 18,000 pesos. So like mostly 35k. The things we want anyways. And then of course if you're gonna buy more vintage and at a cheaper price, there's some sort of damage to the item. Ooh. This is the matcha. So green. Lacoste na Lacoste. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Okay, this is strawberry. Strawberry, and then let's mix it. What did you get? Matcha? Matcha lang.
Read this is like how people usually see it. So
You like it. If you like it. Yummy. Safe choice. Add strawberry to your matcha. It doesn't include this. I wanted to put like the one cookies. The creme brulee Basque cheese. You like it? Ay, sarap.
Biggest gates in Chicago.
Favorite cheesecake ko lang. If you're gonna get me a cake, if ever you're gonna get me a cake, any cake, burnt Basque. Ito, brulee. Sarap. Sarap talaga. Ganda na ito. Oh, favorite. Kung gagastos yun dito. Yung favorite niya to kasi tama ba sa tennis? If ever you're a sneakerhead, I suggest going here to Harajuku Jingume. Can't count. I think in every other store there's like rows and rows of sneakers. Si Kermit the Frog. Puro black. Store ni Jollibee. Ay, though, we're in Caspace. So we get to customize our own. Wait lang. If I'm gonna get, I'll get it. Matchy tayo. Ang cute. Space color. May bread oh. Ito, ang cute. Look oh. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, shit. Kung ganun, alam, I like it. Mas maganda yun. It's nasa oh. So cute. Gachapon! So we're gonna go to an animal cafe. It's called Zoo Cafe. It's so cute. They have come to Harry, because they're very hairy. So alright, got it. So we can go there, and the bunny is the porcupine. Oh yeah, squash.
So please have a seat.
Thank you. That's alright. Take your time. Yeah, 30 minutes okay. Yeah, it's okay.
And today with entrance fee, you can pet hedgehog and chinchilla and bunny.
Okay.
And you only order have time for ours, single or set. Set snack is open, and single snack is you can choose favorite animal.
Okay.
If it is not for orders, when you can handshaking. And this option is full of the reservation customer today, so you cannot claim orders. For chinchilla and bunny, total 38.50.
Got it.
Do you need a receipt?
No, it's good.
And if you have a seat again,
Alright.
replacing each person.
Got
Have a
it.
good day. Cage has some small hole. Place them with your finger in the
This is the pony, so big. Chinchilla. This is the chinchilla also. Look at him. Food. You're so cute. Are you okay? You seem sleepy. I'm sorry. Huh? You okay? Up. My foot? Yay. I'm so happy you're eating. Can we pet you? So this is a chinchilla. It's like a rug. They're found in the desert sometimes instead of there. They're so cute.
Ito yung kamay niya.
Yeah, ginagamit niyo.
Gamit ka ng kamay.
All the other ones. Look. Yeah. Wow.
Naka-impress siya. Kasi nakita
Sabi
na yung
niya,
video niya.
do I have treats if I do this? Okay. I hope you're happy. So, this is his food. I don't know what this is. It's like a snack. And this is, I don't know his name. He's so soft. Really, really, really soft. The chinchilla.
Si Bunny.
Oh, the bunny! The bunny! Wait, hold mo muna siya.
Jump siya.
It's jumping! Oh, you have another one, right? Last na. Come on. He's like a dog. He's so dog. No more food. It's done. It's done already. No more. Why is he so big? Hello. Spiky. Oh, that's okay. Thank you. Just like spiky.
No.
So weak. Hello, sleepy. So cute. He's how to hold the hedgehogs if ever you go here. Scoop from underneath. Sama paa niya. Ginugulo na naman ako dito. Diyan na lang ako. Oh, I'm sleepy. I got told. Thank you. Nico. There. Right, boy. It's my first time to see an otter and a chinchilla. And the bunny that big. With the rabbit, sobrang laki. So he's enjoying watching the otters. Look at him. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 6 to 8 otters. See, swimming! Swimming! Parang ikaw lang. Ano nangyayari doon? What's happening to them? Takbo sila ng takbo. I wonder why. We already have like one free drink. Let's get soup. Let's get our soup. Oh! And it says here it's from the strong. It's always sold out, yeah. Yeah. So there's a Samoyed cafe, and then here is the cat cafe, and the Pom Pom Purin cafe, Mom and Shiba cafe, and then the Meeting cafe, Tea cafe. Tanghulu?
Tayo sa capsule. Ay, ito gusto niyo doon.
Pero, crap. We're gonna go to the capsules. Capsule. Ang daming Kirby. Haikyuu. Sakamoto. Oh, Jimny. Cute. Motor. Okonomiyaki. Jolot Tamagotchi. Ay, di, pero salamin lang siya. Ano? Nail polish. Care Bears. Oh, Puff Girls. I am gonna get this bag because it's too cute not to get. I'm gonna be happy with this purchase anyways. A lot of accessories here. Stuffed toy keyring. Nickel free, stainless.
Sushi na conveyor doon.
Hmm?
Gusto na.
Ano binila mo?
Sanrio dapat yung gusto ko.
Oh, what did you get?
Iba yung Sanrio yung nakuha ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan.
I wonder what it is. Okay lang, lagay ko dyan.
Bilan mo sa Cooper daw.
Cute! Ito Jollibee. Mahal nga, 5,000. Inside Daiso, Japan. Cute. Laundry net. Let's give. Here, pang Japan talaga. Diba? So, we're doing the scanning. Oh, here.
You have already scanned this item.
What is it? Bigo Harajuku. Ate Kat, gusto mo to? Oh shoot! Daming tao. Wow, ang dami. Pero ang daming tao. Decide with them. Okay. may claw machine. Yan. Tapos akyat mo siya dyan.
May po pa yun eh. Lalo na tulog.
They also have fish. Stir-fried pork and green pepper. Pero, butter chicken. I love...
Hindi na, ito na.
Ano yan?
Omurice. May ketchup yan.
Ay, may bang... Uy! Wow, amazing!
Gusto natin wala ko. Wait lang. Ano ba?
Ang dami niyang barya. Sana perfect. Ah! There! It's a fall!
Gusto ko yung ano eh.
Interactive.
Align niya.
Sana yun? Sarap ng kinakain dito. Yakitori. Yakitori ba yan dito? Uy! Ano siya? Kimchi rice sa loob.
Omurice yan.
Kimchi rice yung gamit.
So, kung mag-asa ako sa tayo, saan tayo kain?
Sarap yung ito yung kanina yung chicken. So,
Oreryu.
Oreryu, di ba?
Oreryu Shio.
Doon, kaya yun ang favorite ko. Ang
yung chicken.
butter and corn.
Hindi ko nakita yun. Ha? Ginawa namin chicken.
May chicken.
May sarap ng chicken.
Pwede kayo magdagdag na may butter and corn.
Babalik kami. Pero ayaw nyo rin yung ate. Parang rugby na. Di ba yan? Iba yan.
Di ko alam eh. Hindi ko mahanap yung pancake na.
Iba yan.
Kami cheeky with red bean. Harapan.
Kopya ni Dory.
Hindi yung pa nakakagat yung gitna.
Game nga tita.
Marco kasi nakabili si Martin. Oo, isa na lang.
Yan yung sa Lawson 100.
Yeah.
Lawson 100 or
30 yen?
30? 130. 130. Kasi 30 yan. Kano yun?
Libre.
Ano yan?
130. So, it's 40 pesos.
40 pesos.
Divided by 3. Less than. Kung tamis man, tikman mo. May natang ko
Try ko nga. Kamote. Let's try.
Di ba bilhin
Ay, siomay ba?
Papa, di mo bilhin kamote si Martin. Hindi, nakabili siya.
Tamis ko.
Nubos mo yata yung kamote.
Tamis.
Hindi, yan.
Oo. Hindi mo alam na
Nabos na yun ni tita.
Pati prutas dito.
Ang funny ng mga commercial nila. Pati commercial kailangan cute. Saan tuloy na yun? Mga commercial.
Si Joy Pam and ice cream. May fries.
Thank you.
Apple pie. Ito yung binili ko eh.
Hot apple. Tissue ba dyan, guys? The carbon. Ay.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. Taste test. Oo. Kayo muna. Kayo muna. Wow!
Hindi ba yung second niya?
Ito ka video yan.
Ganyan.
Baka tumapon yung carbon.
Sarap.
Next.
Meron siya. Ano? Gusto niya yan. Kulang siya ng laman lang, pero
Oo nga, wala naman.
Ay, bakit?
Sarap siya. Kakaiba din yung noodles niya. Oo, masarap yung noodles niya. Hindi siya. Parang siyang egg noodles. Oo.
Ay, yun na natin.
Ang bilis eh. Parang paano lang sa bibig. Tapos na. Masarap na.
Masarap lang.
Ano ka baby pa lang?
Kaya mo.
Ito pa. Sige, magpupublend ba tayo bukas? Yes or no? Ano ka?
No, not yun.
Yung original yung egg, ang ano, hindi creamy.
Oo, egg yung hinahalo with cheese.
Ay, itong hinalo, walk hindi creamy.
Pa.
Gusto mo apple pie?
Open ko.
Hindi ka kainin ni Mari. Kaya siyang sauce.
$8,000 lang ako.